Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna run through how to set up DMARC. It's gonna be a very quick run through of how to set it up. It's not too difficult. Basically, what you wanna do is step one, navigate to DMARC, which is this website here. Go down to the very bottom, and then what you're gonna wanna do is enter your domain. So let's say I wanna set it up for this domain, ascendmedia.com. So I'm gonna go in and go ascendmedia.com. This is where you're gonna enter your root domain here. This is really important. Click start creating. What type of policy do you want? Typically, we'll just leave this empty or say nothing yet. You can also say quarantine it or reject it outright. If you want to be a little bit more strict with your policy, click next. And then what you want to do is just add an email here where you want your reports to be directed to. This could just be, honestly, it could just be reports. It doesn't even need to exist. It could just be reports at ascendmedia.com. I'm going to go ahead and click next here. Do you want to receive individual failure reports? No. Relax, restrict. Go ahead and say relax there. Do you want a different policy for subdomains? Absolutely not. Makes it simple. What percentage do you want to apply this to? 100%. Click create record here. It's going to spit out a DMARC record for you. Once it spit out that DMARC record, what you're going to want to do is navigate to your DNS provider, which would be like Google domains or Squarespace domains, or it could be Namecheap or GoDaddy. And then what you're going to want to do is navigate to the DNS records page. Now for Namecheap, it's super simple. You just go in here, navigate to DNS records, go in and add a text record here. And then what you want to do is go back to this, copy this. So this is the host or location. Go back here and paste this in. And then you're going to want to go back here again, grab that DMARC record and go ahead and add that in right there. And then once you're done, click the plus button here. This is actually for a different domain of ours, so I'm not going to click go yet, but that's essentially how you set up your DMARC record. Now, once you've got it set up, what you need to do is go ahead and check and make sure that it's actually completed. What you can do is go ahead and enter your domain here. So this is actually the same tool. You can go ahead and click and enter the domain here, click check domain. What it's saying is this one is not protected yet because we have not set that up yet. Now with this, I'll show you how it should look. So it should look something like this. This is our main root domain, and it is saying SPF is good, DKIM is good, and DMARC is good. Now this is actually giving us a yellow flag, but this is okay because we set up that DMARC record to quarantine it, not to set reject. So essentially this is how you set this up. You do need to make sure, very, very important, before you go ahead and set this up, that your SPF and DKIM records are set up properly. If you set this up first, you could have some authentication issues. So make sure you go ahead, set up your SPF, set up your DKIM, and then set up your DMARC. So hopefully this helped. If it did help, feel free to like and subscribe. And if you've got a D2C e-commerce brand and you're looking to grow and scale your email and SMS in 2024, feel free to click the link below. There's a link below in the description where you can apply to work with us if you're doing over $50,000 a month in revenue. So thanks so much for watching, and we will chat soon.